Hey foodies! Just got my hands on the Presto stainless steel pressure cooker. Let's unbox this beauty together. Look at that sleek design. I mean, who doesn't love stainless steel? But here's the kicker. The tri-clad base ensures your food cooks evenly. No more guesswork, folks! Let me tell you, last night I made the most tender, shredded chicken in just minutes. Perfect for those busy weeknights or when you're just too tired to cook. Check out this quick cool feature. Finished cooking? Hit that steam release valve and it's ready for the next round in seconds. Talk about efficiency. Guys, seriously, this cooker has leveled up my meal game. It's not just hype. It saves time, energy, and makes delicious meals a breeze. So, what are you waiting for? Snag yours now and thank me later.